Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to set up a team within Asana. If you are having trouble finding the team creation option where it is usually located, here is the reason. Navigate to your workspace and select the admin console. Once the console opens, head over to Settings and choose the option to convert to an organization. This specific step is required before you can start building new teams. Simply click on Convert to Organization to proceed. As explained here, you can transform your workspace into an organization by connecting it to your professional email domain. This allows everyone at your firm using Asana to collaborate in one unified space based on that shared domain. If you need further assistance with the conversion process, you can consult the help guide provided. I hope this walkthrough was useful. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more content. I will catch you in the next tutorial.